Damien Dupee, your #1 off-market land specialist, back at you with some more epic wild content. And today I'm going to be talking to you about should I buy a vacant land course. I'm going to give you my takes on, should you not. And without further ado, before I get right in, can I just make a couple announcements? First announcement is if you are local to the Charlotte market and you want to attend a meetup, yours truly hosts a monthly meetup in Charlotte. The next one will be January 28th, 7 to 9 p.m. The link will be in the description. If you are looking for any type of free course, I do have a free course in the description, as well as a paid course. The paid course is $9.97, line upon line, precept upon precept, about how to do what I do and how to get to the bag. Okay? All right, so without further ado, I just want to jump right in, and I just want to talk a little bit about buying courses, specifically a vacant land course. So I'm just talking from experience, from my personal experience, and hopefully it'll shed some light, give you some type of insight on, is it a wise investment, or do you not need to do it? Okay. All right. So the first thing I want to share with you is when you buy a course, you're actually investing into the teacher. And basically, you want to make sure that when you're investing into the teacher, that it's someone you know, you like, you trust. Very, very important. That should be the #1 thing you should look at before you purchase a course from anyone is, are those people genuine? Are those people actually in the business? Are they doing deals? Are they making money? Very, very important, because you don't want to buy something from someone who has retired, who's no longer keeping up with the latest trends, the ins and outs of the business, and able to navigate you to your desired place where you want to be. And that's basically creating a business, being a CEO, and making money. Okay. The second thing that's very, very critical before you invest in a course is you have to look at time and you have to look at value. Okay. A lot of people don't value their time. Okay. They don't know that time is very valuable. Instead, they will like to go out there and figure it out themselves. And when you invest in a course, you actually, what we do, shorten the learning curve. You shorten it. You basically take somebody who's doing what you want to do and giving you a framework that you can kind of follow, but also you can add your own innovation, ingenuity to it. Okay, so you have to really focus on the correlation between time and money. Okay, all right. So you don't want to ever, if you can't help it, you don't ever want to be in a position where you got to learn everything the hard way. Like, you don't want to ever be in that position. There's too much information out here. YouTube University. The only thing about it is it's pieced out, so you got to put it together. A course allows you to basically have a structured format, a step-by-step to follow, and that way you won't be getting lost in the sauce. Another really, really important reason you should ask yourself, should I invest in a course, is you're looking for references. You want to see, what are people saying about this person who's ever hosting a course, selling a course. Are they a scam? Are they getting over on people? Are they, making promises they can't keep? Very, very important that you vet the references, that you see, okay, does this person have a community? That's very, very critical. You want to vet them and make sure they got some type of community where you can kind of go in there and see, okay, cool. You want to do that. That's very, very important, because when you invest in your money, you're not just investing your money. You're investing your resources and your time into someone that you're hoping that can help you elevate and grow. Okay. Another really, really important thing to ask yourself, should I buy a course, is if you get overwhelmed quickly. Okay. If you tend to get overwhelmed quickly, a course is great for structure. That's one thing I love about courses. They bring structure to the atmosphere. Okay. So it's really no guesswork to it. I wonder, should I did this step first? Or I wonder, should I did this? Or I wonder, the wonderland is gone when you get a course, because hopefully whoever created the course, they created it in a systematic order that you should follow it in. Very, very important. It got to be systematic and strategic so that you don't have people doing Z before A, if you will. Okay? And I'm just going to tell you straight up, I invest in a lot of courses. I love courses. Why? Because I value my time. Okay? I vet the people who courses that I buy. First thing I do, I check them out. I see what they're doing. I see what they're doing that I want to do. Very important. If they're doing something I don't want to do, there's no need for me to invest. And a lot of times, I'll be honest, I have bought courses that after going over the course, I'm like, I don't think I really want to do this. Okay? So again, it's not a trial and error thing. It's shorten the learning curve. It helps shorten the learning curve. Very, very important. Coaching. Okay, coaching is very, very important. Some people need one-on-one. Some people need hand-holding. Some people need someone to motivate them. That's why I'm very, very avid for getting coaching. I have a coach. I have two coaches. And these people help me get clear, stay on track, stay focused, and to basically execute on what I'm trying to execute on and get the results that I'm trying to get. Very, very important. If you follow someone that doesn't have results, they doesn't have testimonies, keep it moving. There's 1,000 of courses out here. There's 1,000 of people out here. But choose wisely. That's the last words I'm going to give you. Choose wisely. You want to partner with people or buy a course if you have really, really consider, is this a great fit for me? You got to really, really consider that. Is it a great fit for me? And what I mean by that is, do I have faith or some type of belief that this person is genuine? They're going to help me get to the next level, and that this is going to shorten my learning curve. Point blank, period. So, this is why you shouldn't buy a course. You shouldn't buy a course if you have to put it on a credit card. You don't want to go into debt to get a course. I don't highly recommend nobody to put nothing on MasterCard, American Express, anything, Visa. Don't do it. Invest in yourself, but don't put yourself in debt. Very, very important. Don't put yourself in debt. I have done that before, and it have cost me a lot by putting stuff on my credit card and hoping to get results immediately, and it just didn't pan out like that. So, another reason why you shouldn't buy a course is if you really don't have the time to put in to execute what you're trying to learn. If you work, 60, 70 hours a week and you buy a course and you think you're going to invest 5-10 hours a week, you're doing yourself a disservice. Save your money. Stay on YouTube University, try to get as much free material as you can get and try to piece it together. But if you want to get out of Ouchville and you want to get results, I love courses. So hopefully that was able to help some people out to get clear on, should I buy a course? Should I buy a land course? Should I not buy a land course? Yes, I do have a land course, but at the end of the day, I want people who want to invest in themselves. They want to shorten their learning curve, and they want to save time. And I want people who are going to put it into action, not people who's going to get my course, try to soak up as much as they can and return it. I mean, there's a lot of people out here with the schism, the scam, the shenanigans, the trick bags. I get it. People are people. But I want to partner with the people who are going to literally put in the work. And ask yourself, am I that person? Am I going to put in the work? Am I going to see it through? Am I going to have the resilience that it takes to be successful? All right. Bless you. Appreciate you. Holla at your boy. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Smash the like button. Drop me a comment. If you need anything, I'll be around. Damien at creativelandsolutions.com. Thank you so much. Happy New Year again. Gone.